Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday just before the NFP. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel if you also trade on other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, GBP JPY and others. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of gold USD in front of us. But before we proceed, I would like to talk about the chart of DXY because there was a huge fall, sharp fall on DXY and sharp rally on Euro pairs as well as pound. And the reason was rate hikes. They talked about rate hikes by this year by 0.25%. ECB and the Bank of England. Yeah. Okay, see, this was the news here. Hawkish Bank of England hike rates by 0.25%. Sterling jumps. Okay, and ECB also talked about the same. And we are not we are actually, and they will be hiking the rates by December this year. So as a result, there was a sharp rise on all the euro and pound pairs, and we saw heavy selling on DXY. You can see the condition of the DXY and just look at the size of this candle here. And right now you can see DXY is just lying at 95.21 level. Remember, we talked about the daily chart and the swings on a DXY chart, and right now you can see the DXY is just standing at the support here. But the problem is that we have NFP coming up today, and there is an expectation of weak NFP. So in case the news comes bad, there is a possibility of market breaking the trend line and going down further. So if market starts going down further, then we have a psychological support at 95.00. Market will break the psychological support of 95 and it will be going down further. But there is a possibility that there's a possibility that the previous support of 94.60 to 94.70, this level will provide some support to the market. So there is a possibility that if news comes out bad, DXY dollar starts falling, market will try to take support, dollar will try to take support here and bounce later. Okay, but as of now, just keep in mind that market is standing at the the dollar is standing at the trend line, the support on the daily chart, and we have 95.60 to 94.60, 94.70 as the next support if the news comes out bad. And if market breaks this support just like yesterday, then there will be a free fall in the market. Okay, so be careful and watch the market carefully. Now this is the chart of gold, 4-hour chart of gold in front of us. And though there was a sharp fall, on dollar, but we did not see that kind of a rise on the chart of gold yesterday. It was trading on the range. Yeah, for some time there was a huge volatility in the market when gold fell till 1788, but gold recovered again. And we can see that more or less gold is still trading in a range here, and we do not see much movement on the chart right now. So as a result, the levels on gold are still the same. We have 1810 on the upside as resistance, 1810 to 1811. Okay, this level is important as resistance for the market. And if market starts falling, then we have a new support of 1788 on the downside. 1788, then we have 1786, and we have 1781 to 1780. Okay, so these are all the support of gold right now. So if we witness heavy selling during the NFP event, then we can hope that 1788 will be acting as a first support. Then there is a possibility of market bouncing from the second support of 1786. But I'm very much hopeful that if something bad also happens, then 1781 to 1780 will be the ultimate support for gold. But on the upside, as I just said, we have 1810, 1811 as the resistance. But in case the NFP comes out weak and dollar starts falling, then there is a possibility that market will break the level of 1811 and will start going up. Keep in mind, if market breaks the level of 1811, you can take a buy as well, and your next target will be 1817 to 1818. This will be your next target. So these are the levels for gold right now. As NFP is a crazy event for the market, so if possible, try to trade on the levels that I mentioned and trade carefully, because market is crazy, and whatever you do, please follow strict risk management, proper risk management, because this is your hard-earned money. Protect it. Okay, bye bye.